Hello, this is our Multijet high pressure mobile water jetting unit. It is designed, built and tested here at our factory in Worcester. These units feature EU Stage 5 engines which incorporate the very latest in low emissions technology. The Multijet range has just received an upgrade. It still comes with the standard features such as a spark arrested silencer and a boost pump to help prevent cavitation and guarantee water inlet feed pressure. The fuel tank has been enlarged to give longer running time between refills. There is now a built-in spill tray with drain points, and we have added a battery isolator. This is the Hammelmann reciprocating plunger pump. Operators like the reliability of the Hammelmann pump and in particular the low maintenance costs. Performance conversion kits are available for every Multijet unit. These kits are easily fitted and they maximise the utilisation of the unit by altering the operating pressure and flow to suit your applications. One of the biggest causes of premature pump failure or breakdown is an incorrectly changed filter. Our cleverly designed water filter assembly not only acts as a manifold for pressure and temperature transducers, but is positioned in such a way that once the clamp mechanism is released and you have gained access to the filter bag, any pre-filtered or dirty water drains directly out of the filter housing and not into the pump. Simple but effective. And here is the new ultra-low emissions Stage 5 engine, which complies with the Non-Road Mobile Machinery Directive and meets all new emissions requirements. We've used the Cummins engine for a number of years now. Our customers find it reliable, easy to maintain, and the spares are readily available. The control panel has both touchscreen and push buttons to suit the operator. An easy-to-use step-by-step menu guides the operator through screen displays for unit performance and pump and engine monitoring. Our customers buy the Multijet because of the low cost of ownership. This unit's operating costs are significantly reduced through its reliability and low maintenance requirements. Couple that with reduced downtime and the savings are considerable.